First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To install apps from laptop to Android phone, run the software. Connect your Android phone to your laptop via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Android phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Android phone to make sure the connection is established. After that, data on your Android phone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. Click Apps User Apps, then you will see all apps on your Android phone. Click Install, then choose the apps from your laptop you want to install. The chosen apps will be installed on your Android phone directly.